suportos tayo ya Moyonganda Mangaldan Association of Northern California sa presidentara natin Amay Ditas Sarsaba at Parisok Sarsaba.
4 units of houses built out of bayanihan and love from the local residents and civic-oriented groups from the Mangaldan Association of Northern California were turned over to the recipients today. No less than Mayor Herminio Romero has thanked the former residents of this town, who are now also residing in the United States of America, for granting his request to extend support to those who were victims of Typhoon Cosme, who left this town thousands of homeless.
Yung mga kababayan, parang you're bridging the gap ng mga kababayan ninyo in Mangaldan as well as yung mga nasa overseas. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa suporta nila sa
I'm so very grateful to this support by these brothers and sisters from Mangaldan dahil hindi nila kinakalimutan ang pinanggalingan nila. Kasi during my term, nagpapasalamat ako dahil ang suporta nila lalo na sa beautification ng plaza namin ay nandun. Ang Mangaldan Association of Northern California nag-donate sila ng lumatang triangle na sinabi ko kanina, saka isang gazebo sa Spanish Playground, yung Mayor's Gate, at saka ngayon, ito na naman, yung gusto lang nilang maipakita ang pagmamahal nila sa mga kababayan nila, na lalo na ito sa napinsara ng Typhoon Cosme. Hindi lang ito, mayroon din mga ibang communities sa Amerika, kagaya ng mga Association ng New Jersey, nagbigay din ng donasyon sila, at saka yung association nila sa Vancouver, Canada, nagbigay ng relief operations sa mga immediately after the Typhoon Cosme.
Romero said that he was thankful to the group since they were the same group who have contributed so much in the beautification of the municipal plaza and most of the landmarks of Mangaldan. Meanwhile, residents of these towns, including the barangay captains, have thanked the group.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa kanila kahit napapaano na nila yung barangay namin sa barangay Baten.
Ako ko yan yung tulong mo. Ang apo kanidya, ang apo'y panayaman mi. Tumbal palaga salamat at sigayin amin.
The 4 units of houses cost 80,000 pesos, which were broken down to 20,000 each unit that were given to those screened by the Municipal Social Welfare Development Officer, who were among those left homeless from the Typhoon Cosme last May. Mrs. Merly Rabellas, who represented the Mangaldan Association of Northern California, has assured Romero of full support under his administration.
To build a little house at Sara may abagyo. Say ko mahirap mo yung obligasyon ko ko. Pero ang gamalantan, dyan sampot, anong nang ko, yan walay ko operasyon, nasakitan sa kay, at tayo makaupulan sa dakil ya kwarta. Our mayor was very willing to give all amay yero tan atanay so dingding sa ikong ko anayari dayata si Mayor masyado sa utuya kami turisara yung tulong. For a very short time that I have known him, he is a very sincere man, and wala pakatulong ni Jarabi Miss Oka tan si Doktora yung makatasi watan kami lawan.
Bringing you facts, Janice Hidalgo reporting.